Hello there, Barry here. Welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how you can have fun having a coffee, relax, and make money. And you can make $100 per hour, $200 per hour completely passive. Literally, you work one time and keep making money. But maybe if you are smart, you will even not be working but still making money. Is the introduction too long? Hey, you don't need skill, not even typing skill, not even speaking skill or video skill, audio skill, nothing. Maybe you don't even need a camera in this way that I'm about to show you. Maybe a phone is good enough. You don't need an iPhone. Any phone can work. If you have screencasting ability, is fine. I mean, screencast video on the phone. If not, even taking screenshot on the phone is good enough. Or taking photo on the phone is good enough. Maybe you don't even need a computer. And you don't need any skill, because most of the skill work will be done by my premium software. It's 100% free for you, for my YouTube viewers. Link in the description, go get it. But hey, you can get it later. Let's talk about you making money. Ready for this, right? In a moment, I'm going to share my screen. But before that, if you think this kind of easy method of making money is helpful to you, please inspire us by hitting the like button, subscribe to the channel, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you will get notified when we will upload our next video. And if you think these videos will help your friends and family and your social media connections, and you will look cool if you share these videos on social media, please hit the share button and share with your friends, family, email, WhatsApp, all the social media channels that you are in. This will help us get connected to a lot more people, and this will help you help others through this awesome information. Literally, it's amazing. Really, it's amazing where internet took us. Now, people search everything on the internet, especially how-tos, how to make coffee, how to shoot a video, how to type, how to delete. Yeah, I look around myself. This is how we make money. I look around problems, and we, together with the whole team, we solve the problems. So I was looking at a keyword called how to delete. I was thinking, how many people per month actually search for this keyword, how to delete? Delete button on the keyboard is common on Windows and on Mac computers or any other computers, because it's so important, and it's simply hitting the delete button. But when I looked for this keyword and the search volume, I found amazing numbers. You see here, how to delete is searched by around 12,000 people per month on Google. But how to delete Instagram account is searched by more than 500,000 people per month. How to delete an Instagram account, another 450,000 people. How to delete Facebook account, 201,000 people. How to delete Snapchat account. So this delete goes on and on and on. Oh my goodness. So I wanted to see what kind of videos are there on YouTube about how to delete, and what I found is amazing. And this is where we're going to make all the money from, because YouTube pays you for getting your videos viewed. Now you might be thinking, oh my God, I don't know how to get my videos viewed. Don't worry about it. Link in the description will help you step by step how to get your videos viewed. Before we go to the details, let us get amazed. You see, this particular video got 9.2 million views in 1 year. So I wanted to look at their channel, what kind of channel it is, how many videos they have, how many views they have in other videos. So that will show their authority. So when I came to their channel, I found they have, good number of videos. They have 634 videos. They are hustlers. And it looks like a pretty nice channel showing you all the how-tos, how to do this, how to do that, etc. Super cool. So then I went to the videos section and tried to find out the number of views, and honestly, the views are not that high. few hundred views per video. But if you look back and check all the views, it's 31 million views in total. 31 million views in total. Now this is the question. How much money do they make from 31 million views? Simple search on Google. How much earned from YouTube monetization? Okay, then I searched again. How much from 1 million YouTube views? Well, the answer is somebody answered on Medium that they make around $2,000 to $5,000 from 1 million views. So in that case, approximately, can we say $3.5 thousand per million views on the average? $3.5 thousand, $3,500, right? So 31.4 times 3,500. I would say it's $109,000 only from making videos. Now it's interesting. Oh my God, only videos made 6 figures. Can we do it? Let's look at their videos. They have 4-minute, 5-minute, 3-minute, 2-minute, 1-minute videos. And these videos are helpful videos. People search for how to WhatsApp for particular person without. Disable WhatsApp calls, ignore or block all WhatsApp. All these things can be found on YouTube, how to do it. Or you, us, find these things by asking friends, hey, how do you do it? I didn't know about a certain feature on Android. So I was looking that feature on my iPhone. I couldn't find them. Then I came to know it's not a feature of iPhone. It's solely for only Android. Similarly, we have so many things that we know and we don't know, and they make simple videos and they get all the views. They are 2-minute, 3-minute videos. Now, guess what? I have been talking to you for more than 6 minutes. So 2-minute, 3-minute, 4-minute, 6-minute videos are pretty easy. Now let's go to another channel. Okay, so I checked another channel and I found this video. Okay, this channel here. So it's Rara iTech. So probably I found their name somewhere here. Well, okay, so this one, how to delete Google account permanently on Android. And it was published 1 year ago, 4.4 million views. And I went to their channel. They have pretty good number of videos as well, 202 videos and 68 million views in total. So 68 will be double, so approximately $200,000 earned from video views, only from AdSense. Okay, now here's the deal. Look at their videos. Their videos are even smaller. The videos. Okay, so there is a video 16 seconds that has 697 views. Another video 3 minutes, 1,000 views. Another video 3 minutes, 2,500 views. Look, it seems like, okay, there's lots of videos and very less number of views, but together they add up and YouTube will pay you for useful videos. Yeah, that's how it works. Now you might be saying, oh, Mosh, I don't know how to make videos. That's what I'm talking about. Don't worry about it, because my software in the description is a premium software, but free, completely free for my YouTube viewers. Because you know, we make videos to get traffic, leads and sales and make money. So we should be teaching how to make videos and make money. But the problem is, speaking in front of the camera is a problem for a lot of my customers. I know that. A lot of my viewers as well. And that is why we built a software that allows you to make videos without being in front of the camera, without needing for any kind of media files, because it will fetch media files from any website through just a URL, from Pixabay, from your hard drive, and it will speak for you. It will give natural voice over for you. The best of the best part is it will even write the script for you using AI. And last but not the least, it allows you to make videos in small segments, any size you want. Then you save those segments. Then later when you want to come back and add more to it, do it, save it again. And then finally, one push of a button, the video is built, compiled from all those small segments, and your full video is ready to rock and roll. Then another push of a button, it's published to YouTube. And YouTube algorithm loves videos that help others, and they will instantly push your videos to some viewers. And when your viewers will interact, they will like, they will comment, they will say, hey, it's a good video, they will continue watching the video, then YouTube will know that it is a good video and they show this to other people, more and more people. These add up, keep adding up, keep adding up, keep adding up. And you see what? 32 million views, 68 million views from small videos that can be done simply using your phone. How to delete something. It's so easy. You can do it using your phone, taking screenshots, taking photos, using your computer, or using my software, however you want. All you need to do is to work one time, make a video and publish, and YouTube will do the rest. But in case you want to do more, you want to do better, you want to make more money, then you need to inject one more thing. And that is a website. And that website should have one more thing. Let me show you what you should have. So at the beginning, I showed you a software called Ubersuggest. Like Ubersuggest, there are millions of websites and millions of softwares. Now, all they want, what do you think they want? Like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Ubersuggest, what do they want? They want your email address first. This is what they want from you first. You put your email address, you put your password. You know what? This password thing is vague. They don't really want your password thing. Okay, they want your email address because they want to communicate with you. They want to build relationship with you, build their trust and authority. And in future, when they will ask you to do something, you'll do it. That's what we do, right? And email has so far, by far, been the best channel of communication, serious communication. People ignore email, people ignore chats, messages, but people never ignore emails. They take emails seriously. So you should inject one thing in your business, in your website, and that is an opt-in page, and build a list of subscribers. For that, you have to give something. Hey, take it and give me your email address, or hey, take it, where will I send you the access? And then build relationship with them. Now, in case you are new to this thing, in case you are allergic to build opt-in page, lead magnet, and build list, don't worry about it. Link in the description will give you my premium software that will turn any PDF report into your opt-in page. That PDF report will become the lead magnet, and the same PDF report will drive referral and free traffic to the opt-in page. That's so awesome. It's a complete package, and the best part, it's free. Go get it right now and start using it. So make your videos, and in the video, ask people to sign up to your mailing list, build relationship, give them value, and build your trust and authority. This is the foundation of online business. And later, when you ask them to click somewhere, they will click. There are so many ways just to ask people, click, and from those clicks, you will make money. I have so many other videos. Links are in the description. You will find in my my channel. Those videos will show you how to make money just from clicks. So you don't have to ask people to buy. Just ask them to, click here or watch this video or watch this ad. And from your referral, you make money from those websites. So like literally, when you have your own mailing list, when you have your own traffic from YouTube or from anywhere on the planet, you are powerful. And that is the foundation of internet marketing. And this is the foundation of our 7-figure per year software business. So we are here to help you. And that's why we built this video, just to help you. We wanted to make sure you make more than $100 to $200 per hour passively using the power of internet only. Just by being smart, use what you already have, what you already know, and that's it. And if you need help, my softwares are in the description. Go get help. They are free. Go take them and use them. And in case you think this video was helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button. This way you support our channel and we keep going, shooting more and more useful videos so you make money fast. And if you think this is a share-worthy video, your friends and family and connections on social media should also know about this awesome information. They will be helped, and you want to look cool in front of them by sharing this video, please hit the share button and share with your social media channels. And this way you help others and they know you as a helpful person, and you build followers as well on social media channels. Yeah, go do it. Like, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button, hit the share button, and share this video with all your social media channels. And we will see you in the next video.